Did you know a sports riot once nearly destroyed one of the most powerful empires on Earth? It was 532 AD in Constantinople. The Blues and the Greens were chariot racing factions, but they were also street gangs with political muscle. When Emperor Justinian tried to execute members of both groups, they did something no one expected. They stopped fighting each other and turned on him. For 5 days, they burned the city. Half of Constantinople was ash. 30,000 people filled the streets screaming for a new emperor. Justinian called a war council. His plan was to board a ship and flee. Then Theodora spoke. She told the room that a man who had worn purple should be buried in it, not run from it. Justinian stayed. His general Belisarius herded the rioters into the hippodrome and sealed the exits. 30,000 people were killed in a single afternoon. One woman's nerve in one room changed everything. A sports riot came within hours of ending Byzantine civilization.